In this video, I'll show you how to make a pet system in Roblox Studio so players can hatch, equip, and interact with pets in your game. Step 1. Create your pet models. Build or import 3D pet models in Roblox. Make sure each pet has a proper animation for idle, walk, and interact actions. Step 2. Set up a pet folder. Organize all your pets in a folder in replicated storage to make scripting easier and keep your projects neat. Step 3. Script the pet system. Use Lua scripting to allow players to equip pets, spawn them beside the players, and follow them around the map. Step 4. Add interactions. Let pets do actions like sit, play, or collect coins by connecting scripts to UI buttons. This adds interactivity and fun for players. Step 5. Save pet data. Use data store services to store which pets our player owns and their stats so progress is saved between sessions. And that's it. With these steps, you can create a fully functional pet system in Roblox Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.